Hey there! Have you ever wondered how to keep your home looking fresh without risking damage? Let's talk about soft washing. It's a gentle cleaning method that uses low-pressure water mixed with eco-friendly solutions to tackle dirt and mold. Unlike power washing, which blasts away grime at high pressure, soft washing is perfect for delicate surfaces like roofs and decks. It cleans while protecting your home from future growth of mold and mildew. Pretty smart, right? So, what's the process? First, professionals assess your surfaces. Then they cover plants to keep them safe, apply the special solution, and finally rinse it all off, leaving your home sparkling clean. And it's not just about looks. Regular soft washing can boost your home's curb appeal and even its value. If you're ready to give your home the care it deserves, reach out to your local soft washing provider today. I recommend checking out Housewash PA for a free quote. Your home will thank you, and you'll love the results.